Hello everyone, welcome to Books in Wood. So 4 days ago I ordered 3 books from bookchor.com. As it was the weekend sale, I also got 10 bookmarks with it. So let's see the condition of the books and the bookmarks. So my first impression will be the packaging, and to be very honest, I'm not really a big fan of packaging like this because it really damages the books or any stuff, because you can see there's no box. It's just a wrapper wrapped outside the books, so it really can be damaging for the books. So I request bookchor.com to please provide these books inside a box instead of a wrapper like this. So anyway, let's unbox it without wasting any time. I'm going to use scissors to open it, and this is definitely not a stress-free packaging. A lot of taping is done.
One eternity later.
We have opened the wrapper, and inside we can see this spongy wrapper which is translucent, so you can see the books and the bookmarks from outside too. So let's open this too. Okay, so taping again. I'll be using scissors again. So everything's fine so far. We've got the books. Let's see. Okay, let's take them out and keep it over here, and also the bookmarks, and keep them here. So the first thing I noticed is this sticky note with a cute little gesture, and we all book lovers love stuff like these. So thanks Bookchor for this gesture. Let's keep it aside for now and move on to the main stuff, which is the books. Okay, so here's the book, and first impression, the front cover, a lot of creases visible. You can see over its spine a crease is visible. Let's move to the back, and more creases. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. This is definitely due to the packaging, the damage is done, and here are a lot of creases again. So this may be due to storage. Okay, let's move to the front. Okay, so I don't know if somebody spilled his coffee over here. I guess it's due to dampness, but this is not very good. These books also look a bit faded. You can see a lot of yellowness with this. You can see these pages are very yellowish. See. Okay, so let's move to the back, and it's fine there. Okay, so a lot of distortion can be seen. This is due to storage, I bet. Okay, so the thing I liked is there are no spots or any pen or pencil marks, so this is not red, just stored, and it was damaging for the books, I guess. Okay, so more damage can be seen. You can see there's a stitching problem. The pages have started to come out, and apart from that, nothing's visible. So keep this aside and move to the next book. Okay, so this is much better than the previous one, and I tell you what, just like its name, this is much darker and it looks more new than the previous one. So the front is perfectly fine, no creases, nothing. The back is fine too, it's almost perfect. There are some creases, but I guess this is due to packaging as well. So let's open it. Front page is perfect, no sign of damage is visible. Moving ahead, nothing visible. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but there are some stitching issues and the pages have started to come out. This can be a major problem in a long term, so we have to store it properly. This is visible from back too, so definitely there are some stitching issues. So this can be avoided by proper binding. Okay, so like the previous book, no stains or spots. Definitely the stitching issues, but apart from that, nothing's visible. No stains, no pencil marks, no coffee spills or nothing. Okay, let's keep this aside and move to this. Okay, so like the previous one, this is also perfect. This is the best among the three so far. Let's move to the back. So okay, this is perfectly intact and back is 110% perfect. So let's move to the front page. Okay, this is more whiter than the previous ones, not yellowish, and nothing, no stains, no name or anything. But the stitching issue is also here. Though it's not that much, it can be done, it can be repaired by binding, and no stains, but just the stitching issue in the book. Okay, so this is perfect. The book is perfectly intact and I liked it. The pages are also very white in this book. Comparing to the other books, this is the best. So let's keep the book aside and move to my favorite part, that's the bookmark. Actually, I'm not really a big fan of 50 Shades, and I'll tell you something, that I ordered this due to the bookmarks only. So let's open this thread. So first is visible life of pie. Okay, so bookmarks are here, Bookchor's branding over the back and the phone number and stuff like that. Okay, so this is, I think, Iron Man. I'm sorry, I'm not really a big fan of Marvel, so please comment if it is Iron Man. So Marvel fan are going to love it. Okay, so this is something I really wanted. 1984's illustration. So this is going to be the best so far. So if you love George Orwell, this is going to be your favorite bookmark. Okay, so Lord of Rings reference, the Lord of Rings fan are going to love it. So this is also a good bookmark. The condition of these bookmarks are really good, better than Amazon's and Flipkart as always. So okay, so this is something great. Joker's bookmark. How often do you see Joker's bookmark? Okay, so back is similar. So DC's fan are going to love it, and I'm a DC fan, so I'm definitely keeping it. Okay, I don't know if it was needed, as they have already given a 1984 bookmark, but let's see if we can give it to someone. हम अंग्रेजों के ज़माने के जेलर हैं. So this is nice. They could have added something related to books too, but okay, fine. The condition was perfect. Hareo Samba. So there are a lot of movie references in these bookmarks, and movie heads are going to love them. The bookmark. अबे इतना कौन पढ़ता है? So bookmark, I suppose you were supposed to promote reading, but you are making such stuff. Anyways, okay, so another Iron Man bookmark, and good for the Marvel fans. So it's really cool. The print of these bookmarks is perfect, and quality too. So okay, this we already have seen. The color is perfect. Cyan and purple is really looking nice. So these were the bookmarks, and something I want to tell you is that I think they have decreased the quality of these bookmarks. As you can see in the previous video, the quality and the print were much better. If you haven't seen the video, please see, I have given this in the I button. You can click the I button and see those bookmarks in that video. So this was for today's video, and I hope you liked the video. So thanks for watching the video, and if you liked it, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and also comment your suggestion and any improvement if needed in the videos. So stay safe and keep reading.